Introducing Noise colorfit Pro 3 Assist Smartwatch. It is available in variant colors like jet black, jet blue, rose pink, smoke green and smoke grey. It comes with a True View display. It comes with a screen size of 1.55 inches. It's an HD touchscreen with 320 x 360 pixels resolution and 500 nits of brightness. It comes with 240 hours or 10 days of battery life. It runs on Android and iOS operating systems. It helps to track the 24/7 blood oxygen level and it notifies when it's low. The also supports tracking 24/7 heart rate, stress and sleep. It has breathed guide support and female healthcare support. It supports 14 sports modes, weather forecasts and also Bluetooth with 4.2 versions. The Alexa voice service is also available. It stays updated with the notifications of the calls and messages. The smartwatch comes with customizable cloud-based watch faces. It has a swappable strap. It has smartwatch, magnetic charger, user manual and warranty card inside the box. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.